Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Linksys Atlas Pro 6 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system with this complete and fast step-by-step guide. We'll cover everything from connecting the nodes to your modem, powering them on, and using the Linksys app to get your whole home Wi-Fi up and running quickly. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect router to modem. Turn off your modem, connect Ethernet cable from modem internet, 1, port on router, turn on modem, wait 2 to 3 minutes, plug in and power on the Linksys node, wait until LED becomes solid purple/blue, ready for setup. Step 2. Connect your phone or PC, connect your device to the router's default Wi-Fi network, SSID, which is printed on the label underneath. Enter the default password to access the network. If preferred, you can also connect directly using an Ethernet cable for a stable setup. Step 3. Setup using Linksys app. Recommended: download the Linksys app on Android or iOS and open it. Tap Setup a new Wi-Fi network, then select VLOP or mesh router. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your Wi-Fi name, SSID, set a secure password, and set up your admin/login account. Step 4. Alternative setup, browser method. Open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and go to http://192.168.1.1 or linksysmartwifi.com. Press Enter, then create a secure admin password and follow the on-screen setup wizard to complete your router configuration. Step 5. Add mesh nodes, if you have more units. Place additional nodes close to the main router in the same room for initial setup and power them on. The app will automatically detect and add them to your network. Once connected, reposition the nodes in different areas to ensure full home coverage. Step 6. Finish setup. Reconnect your device to the newly created Wi-Fi network using your updated SSID and password. Once connected, check that the internet is working properly by browsing or running a speed test. Finally, update the router firmware to ensure optimal performance, security, and stability. Your Linksys Atlas Pro 6 setup is now complete. Your Wi-Fi network is active and ready to use. All devices can connect using your new SSID and password. Enjoy fast, reliable coverage and manage settings anytime through the Linksys app or web interface. If you are unable to set up your Linksys Atlas Pro 6 or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and updates.